Do you find yourself lost looking for your first investment property, not exactly sure how to analyze it, not exactly sure what numbers you should be at when making an offer? Today I want to dive in and show you the top 3 things that you need to know before investing in real estate. I'm Alex Kaufman with Teifke Real Estate, and welcome to the video. I know it's easy to get paralysis by analysis when approaching your first investment property, but today I want to make it simple for you with these 3 rules of thumb. First thing you need to know is the 1% rule. So when going about purchasing your first rental property, this is a good rule of thumb to go by. And the way that the 1% rule works is you want to buy a property that you can rent it out for 1% of its purchase price. So for example, if I was purchasing a single family rental for $150,000, I would want to be able to rent it out for $1,500 a month. Now, if you're putting work into the property, say I bought it for $150,000, I'm putting $30,000 worth of work into it for a total of $180,000 all in, I want to be able to rent it out for $1,800 a month. Second thing you need to know is the 50% rule. So typically with a rental, or if it's a single family rental, if it's multifamily, it's a good estimate that your operating expenses are going to be close to about 50% of the gross income. So that's going to include management fees, that's going to include repairs, that's going to include taxes, insurance. All these will factor in to that 50% rule. The third thing you need to know is when you're going into an offer, it's the 70% minus repairs rule. So when I'm making an offer on an investment property, another good rule of thumb is that I want to offer somewhere around 70% of the ARV, which is the after repair value, minus any repairs that I'm going to need to do to the property. So for example, if I'm buying an investment property that the ARV is going to be about $200,000, I want to purchase it close to $140,000 minus any repairs that would need to be done to the property. So if the property needed $20,000 worth of updates or repairs, maybe it's foundation or roof, I'm going to want to purchase that property close to about $120,000. That way, after the repairs I put into the property, it will leave me at about 70% of the after repair value. Again, these are just rules of thumbs. These are not hard and fast rules that need to be exact every single time, but these have helped me out in every single investment that I've made, and they've helped me out in negotiations. So if you're approaching your first investment property, you have any questions about these rules, you're trying to apply them to yours and you want someone to look at it, reach out to us, drop a comment below. We're happy to help any way that we can. Stay tuned for the next one.